Alright, this is going to be the first startup of the 1997 Toyota Camry. We just did an engine replacement and it is running good. Running a little loud. I'm going to have to seal up the exhaust. Other than that, we're going to continue on putting everything else back together. Welcome back. This is with the 1997 Camry, the one we did the full engine replacement in. This engine came out of a Toyota Avalon. It had 131,000 miles on it. So it's been running good ever since we first started up. If you've seen in the previous video, when we first started up, it had an exhaust leak. So we had to cut the exhaust in order to set it back up on the manifolds on this one. But since then we done fixed that, got it sealed up, and it's doing a whole lot better. And as you can see, it is running good. As the old folks say, it's running like a sewing machine. But yeah, it is doing good. Yep, customer is excited to pick it up, and because he loved his Toyota. The engine that I took out of there, it actually had over 300,000 miles on it. So I told him he'll better get a good bit of time out of this one. Yeah, so that's it. That's the Toyota Camry 1997. Not only did we do the engine replacement, but we also did the headlights. Went with the brand new headlight assemblies. At a later date, he gonna come back and do the LED bulbs. But other than that, everything is looking good. So that's what we got going on. All right, so appreciate you watching the video. As always, we appreciate the support. Keep God first in everything you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.